When it comes to roulette, you should know that there's no skill needed to play the game. It's purely a game of chance, and it's simple. Basic gameplay revolves around guessing what number or color you think the ball will land on. If you guess right, you win. Let's learn a little more before we find out where this one's gonna land. Let's start with the chips. You choose the value of your chips when you buy in at the table, and make sure you cash out before you leave because they only have value at that table. Now that we have chips to bet with, let's learn how to bet. Okay, there are two kinds of betting in roulette: outside betting and inside betting. Let's begin with outside bets. Stick to outside bets for better odds of winning, but just know they offer lower payouts. And remember, there are no guarantees of winning because the result of every spin is random. With outside betting, all bets lie on the outside of the betting area. You can bet red or black, evens or odds, and high or low. Each have 1-to-1 payouts. That means if you bet $25, you'll double your money. You can also make column bets right here. These pay out at 2-to-1. Now let's talk inside betting. Inside betting has lower odds of winning, but higher payouts. The simplest bet is a straight up. That is placing a bet on a single number, like this. A $1 bet could win you $35, but you can also split two numbers. Bet a 4-number corner or a street. Is there a strategy to winning at roulette? There is no strategy to picking numbers because you never know where the ball will land. Each spin is an entirely new event, and past spins don't influence future ones. Now you can go have some fun, and remember to play smart.